So here we have taken example of old CPR from Nifty 50, and this is old CPR. On this trading session, we can see old CPR actually gave good resistance to price action candle for almost half trading session, and then finally it gave up. So old CPR provide good support resistance to price action candle. However, they are not as strong as CPR or Virgin CPR. So here is another example of a Virgin CPR in the market. We are using Nifty 50 indices chart, and this is 5-minute time frame. As you can see how beautifully this Virgin CPR is giving support to the price action candle, and exactly from the middle line, the pivot point, it actually took a reversal and started going upward. Virgin CPR can be day to week old. Virgin CPR gets weaker with day passing. One thing we have to understand here is when we talk about old CPR, you have to see old CPR only in smaller time frame, like 3 minutes, 5 minutes, that is enough, and consider only 1 day old CPR, not more than that. And when we talk about Virgin CPR, gets weaker with the day passing, and 5 to 7 days Virgin CPR is good enough to consider. And this is, I'm talking about short time frame, like 3 minutes, 5 minutes. Now Virgin CPR, when you are looking on a bigger time frame, like 30 minutes daily time frame, weekly or a monthly chart, when you see a Virgin CPR, respect all of them unless they are used. What do I mean by used? So now this CPR has been has given support to price action candle, so this gets weaker when once it has given such support. So on a bigger time frame, Virgin CPR stays active.